7 shows down, 2 more to go before our final night and the big reveal. Our trainers have stepped it up, lean meals focusing more on portion control, and the challenges are getting more challenging. It's going to be a fight to the finish, guaranteed. I'm Talia, the referee, and this is Losing It, the Wait is Over.
Master Brand decided that it's now time for really push harder.
I really had to know about their capabilities before I start stepping up. And they have been working hard, living up to expectations.
This week was intense. The workout stepped up in terms of, doing more cardio and doing more laps.
But it was necessary for us to step up this week based on the kind of foundation that I laid previous weeks before.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
But the static hold was a little bit rough, but the knee has been giving me, has been holding up. I'm not using the wrap around my knee as when I started, so I've seen some improvements.
I'm proud of the development so far because even Rowan with the static hold was much better than we had previously, and even the form with the punching, the intensity, all of that, it's encouraging.
9, 10, jump switch again.
The boxing kind of hard because, with the first and foremost, the gloves are heavy.
8.
So having your arms up, constantly punching, it does weigh on you. So it really did intense.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Punching hard, especially when you have to go for as long as possible in the minutes you have to do, but it helps a lot. It builds the upper body, and I really like it.
It's like I'm supposed to be going as fast as he could, but when him start me here, oop, I'm like, no, it's supposed to be like oop. We do like hurry up, number 1. Stop.
The length of time and the intensity is going to be more for the coming week.
A whole lot of sweat.
5.
Told us that we have a lot of water in us, so we need to get that sweat out of us and shed some of the pounds, and that sort of exercise would help a lot.
It's kind of like time to go really hard now, so I'm expecting a whole lot of surprises as it relates to our next weigh-in.
This week was okay.
More hard work, stricter diet, and just more movement. So even after gym, we still put in some personal work.
We do a lot of changes, especially for Willie.
I am definitely fitter, as you can see. Even the tight shirt where you give me, not tight again.
It seems like the change is working.
When she was showing me, I was worrying about my back, like maybe my lower back would hurt me, but trying it and doing it, I realized it wasn't that difficult. It wasn't difficult at all.
It's been easier to do the things now. It's just my coordination in reminding my brain what to do and when to do it is something that I've been working on. The kicking activity wasn't bad. As simple as it seems, my level of coordination is awful.
Apparently she couldn't do most of the exercise and she kept on laughing.
Feel not like a smile, so do the exercise.
More than 10.
And I wanted to just get it over with, and everything Audrey give her is like she can't do it. She have no coordination on her earth, and it did get frustrating for me.
No, she can't do it herself. It really make Willie feel like he's not going anywhere. He's really trying. She could have done it. And when I see how she was angling the weights, I know that she could have done that exercise. But I just think she made up her mind from before that she's just not doing it.
I actually wasn't trying to avoid doing the workout. My hand just couldn't manage my body weight.
At least don't push herself. She gives up the little sign of discomfort, which, as I said, I don't like. Like, you have to push yourself.
Week 7, great. It was like
whole heap of swellings, hurt, bad.
Yeah, this week for my team, it was a rough week.
I'm tired mentally and I'm tired physically, but not discouraged.
One, my finger hurt me. Two, my foot them a hurt me. Three, all of my joints them a hurt me. So, me tell you, brother, me never can manage it. You know what I go on.
For the training that I gave them, I think their lower body are burning a bit faster because they're doing a lot of treadmills and ellipticals.
It's probably getting more intense because of the exercises that he's giving. And he gave a lot of weights this week.
I don't know why over this, I hear people say they want to go their yard. What you think, man?
You know, Siobhan always push it to the extreme level, so which is good for us.
When we did the pulls for the training, I was just on automatic, I think, because he did 30-30, and then I forgot that I was supposed to only do 20, so I did 30. So when he told me to do 30 on the other arm, I was like, well, I can't be on balance, so let me just go ahead and do 30. But I was able to manage it.
I was telling her I don't mind a little brata. I don't mind a little extra. And she did well with the class. She did well with that training.
Oh my goodness, I did 30. I was only supposed to do 20.
Nice.
No,
nice.
sir, I did 30.
Next
so
time.
that means to do 10 on this side.
You don't love brata.
No.
Siobhan just decided in mind, say, you catch current and you want to catch current. You catch current and you want to catch current, so you don't ever feel it.
Strength training for them right now is the way to go.
It was easier in a sense, but it was still hard, but I was not as winded as I normally am.
When we get back, it's time to work out those abs. And a weight loss veteran gives a talk I'm sure they'll never forget. Losing it, the wait is over. We'll be right back.